Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is YC, aka channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do single source publishing with Excel and in two applications. Basically, single source publishing is a concept where whether you are an editor or a technical writer or medical writer or a content creator, you would really be benefited from this concept and application. So single source publishing is basically the practice is that you write and edit and maintain one single chunky document, whether it be Word or PowerPoint or other type of content management system that you're using, for example, like Peligo or MATLAB Flare. So you basically write all the content in one single chunky document and only show specific contents that is profiled, conditioned, and customized to specific reader audiences. There are a lot of single source publishing context about markdown, about text-based method, but it was kind of lacking on the PowerPoint, the presentation side. So I think I'll make a video today and then show you how to do single source publishing with PowerPoint and do it in two applications. So without further ado, let's jump right into my video. As you can see, this is my PowerPoint. I quickly prepare many different slides. So I have like market sex, and usually you have charts, software support, and customer feedback, and then this is the second part I will talk about, and then some other images, and then lastly a thank you. So this is a basically very raw context. Imagine that you are guys as a team going to conferences, and then each of the team member will have a representative and then to present to different key opinion leaders, and those people are actually require all of you guys as a team to work together, and the storyline will be succinctly streamlined. Say for example today you want to talk to the marketing team, you then click on the overview mode of PowerPoint where you can see all the thumbnails, and then at the slideshow here, what you will do is to click on the drop down arrow of the customize slideshow. So as you can see, I have created a marketing team. Then you can start presenting basically just for the marketing team's contents. So the way you will customize slideshow is by clicking this plus button, and then say for example I want to make a presentation for the graphic designers. What I will do is to give it a name and then just drag the relevant slides in and then click on OK. Boom, there we go. We'll then start the slideshow now. So for example, this one will be targeted towards graphic designer. What you will do is say, okay, so today I want to talk about single source publishing with PowerPoint, and they're in two-way applications. As you guys are graphic designers, you will be managing a lot of graphic production. So and in this slide, I'll tell you so and so and so. Thank you very much for your watching. Right, so this is the first way where you will do single source publishing with PowerPoint. And the second application is actually at the graph production side. So me as an image solution scientist, I do a lot of imaging instruction for people who usually would be jump onto a scanner, but oftentimes it's not so easy to jump onto the scanner and take screenshots. What we usually do is to make a user interface markup, and as the graph designer at this part, what you will be really need to working on is to think about what are the elements that kind of are static, what are the elements that is constantly changing, and what are the elements kind of like in between. In the PowerPoint here, at the home tab, you will be able to see a range. At the bottom, you'll see a selection panel. Now let me just hide all. So yeah, basically you have a UI frame. What we can do is to reuse this frame and then to make completely new content. So you do a little bit of preparation up front and then shuffle on all of the images that you want to do, and depends on what kind of plan you want to do. These ones that is bounded within all of these small arrows are the ones that is like constantly changing from across project to project. So what you will do is to just show them according to the way that you need. What then I would do is to basically go on to a full screen mode and then take a screenshot, and there you go, there you have the images. And that is it for today's video. This is a concept that's very helpful, very, I would say, valuable for people to have. I think it's always nice to think about what your target audience is. Use this to show them that you have put in effort to think about their needs and not shower them with all of the context that you have. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know some of the comments down below. See if you like this video. I'll see you guys next time.